I'm surrounded by gear. I'm surrounded by gadgets and meters and recorders and wires, especially wires. I've got them up to here. And I'm still trying to understand how to use it. Now, I'm sure some of you are in the same position, and that's what I'm doing with this channel. That's why I created this channel. I want to create a community of people like me who are not necessarily experts in this field. In fact, my current score of paid voice acting, voiceover, voice talent, whatever you want to call it, work is 0. I've had no paid gigs doing audiobooks or narration of any sort. I haven't done any paid voiceovers for commercials or training videos. I haven't gotten any of them under my belt. But I want to, and I know some of you want to, and I'd like to learn this trade together. I think it would be great to build a community where we actually interact with the people who are on our level, and hopefully some of you with experience want to join the community too, to offer your experience to this community. Our community is for us to interact, for us to share our experiences, share the things that have worked, share the things that didn't work. Let's learn from our mistakes. Let's help each other build a real community of people who want to understand what the heck all this gear is, how it works, and know what's right, know what isn't right, know what works and what doesn't work, and find a way for us to find our own voices. So that's my hope, that you'll join this community and be part of it. If you've got some experience, join us to share your expertise and your know-how. And if you're like me, starting from scratch, let's share our experiences. Let's share our knowledge and lack of knowledge. Let's interact with each other. Let's create a real community. Thanks.